Curb SC is registered for use in lettuce at rates of 2.5 to 5 pints per acre. These rates do not vary for weed species or soil type, but for irrigation method. It's important that all of the 3 pre-emergent herbicides used in lettuce be at the right place at the right time to be effective. The right place is around the germinating weed seeds, and the right time is when they are germinating. Unlike Prefar or Baylan, Curb moves readily in high volumes of irrigation water. Prefar and Baylan adhere more strongly to the soil. When lettuce is germinated with furrow irrigation and the curb is applied after planting and before the first irrigation, the water moves laterally and upward and dissolves but does not move the herbicide downward. Higher rates are required for effective weed control because much of the herbicide stays on the surface. When the herbicide is applied after planting, before the first irrigation, and sprinkler irrigation is used, the curb is moved with the overhead water further into the soil. Less herbicide is needed and rates drop by about 1/3. Depending upon the weed species and time of the season, some of the herbicide may have moved deeply into the soil and be below the germinating weed seeds. This is why delayed applications by chemigation are often used with curb. Chemigation is the most efficient means of concentrating curb where and when you need it. The rates are therefore half of the recommended rates for furrow irrigated lettuce. Unfortunately, the most effective techniques used to concentrate curb around the weed seeds also concentrates it around the lettuce seed. For that reason, we don't want to use any higher rates of curb than are necessary for good weed control. Thank you very much.